So hi guys, quick video today. Today I want to show you how to change the o-ring inside the water tanks for mostly all uh, coffee machines. So basically, to do this, you need two tools. One is this type of o-ring extractor. It comes in different shapes, like hook or lever, like this. I prefer doing it with this one. You need a long one in order to reach the o-ring. And the second tool would be a bit screwdriver or whatever you have in hand. It has this head for the bits, for this type of bits. So if you have a long one, that would be okay. So these are the only two tools that you need. So first of all, I want to show you how to remove this specific o-ring. First of all, you push this part. Also for this, I'm using this top. So I'm putting it here and then resting the water tank on it. This case, I have this leverage here. So using the extractor, the process of removing it, it's really simple. Hope you can see it. Just hook the o-ring like this, and then after it's hooked, just grab it, and then it's out. But also all the internals are not now out. So take the new o-ring. Let's consider also this as a new o-ring. If you cannot find the specific o-ring for you, I encourage you investing in this type of o-ring set. You have here all the dimensions you need for your work. So then the other way around, put the plastic thingy and the spring on it. Insert the water tank on, and then with the same tool, this is the most complicated part. You have to put this o-ring exactly on top of the let's call it spindle or whatever. So hope you can see what I'm talking about or not. So you see, it's placed exactly on top. Good. Then it comes in place this other tool, and with this other tool you are basically pushing the o-ring over the spindle. So like this, just a little push. The same, and then put it inside, and you have the o-ring inserted. So this is how I do it. Basically, it needs a little bit of practice. Of course, when you have this type of water tanks, when you have an offset entry, of course it's a little bit complicated. You need to hook the o-ring and just put it on the spindle there. So for this type of water tanks, it's a little bit more complicated, but can be done with a little bit of practice. Okay, so this was a quick video. Hope you enjoy it? If yes, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, bye-bye.